During my stove video, I remember that I missed off one stove. This is actually one of my favourite stoves. I love this one, and it goes with me on every base camp, and that is the Trangia. So the Trangia comes in little pots. I'm not going to go into the thick end of this, we'll just get cooking. Non-stick frying pan, couple of pots. So in here we have a little alcohol burner, and we put some fuel inside here, and then right around the edge there's some little holes, and as it starts to heat up the fuel vaporizes and creates us a nice little flame. What I'm going to be making tonight is some bannock bread. And this is nice and easy to take up on the fell with you. So you basically get a Ziploc bag, you put about 260 grams of flour in, a pinch of salt, I like to put a little bit of pepper in, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I've got some grated cheese in there. Give it a little bit of a shufty around. And what you want to do is take 300 mils of water and pour it straight into the bag. Nice and easy. And then just squish this mixture up inside of the bag. Zip forward, and we put that to one side. What I've got here is some alcohol in a pourer. You can get these in little bottles anywhere you want. We just pour that in there. Now you want a good amount, but the good thing about the Trangia is once it's cooled down, you can put the lid back on, and there's a rubber ring inside, and it seals that up, so you can reuse the fuel that's in there. So we pop that into our little holder, and then you just light the fuel. It doesn't light too vigorously. So I take a little bit of oil. Now we do have a tool for the frying pan, which is quite useful. And we just wait for that to heat up. Next you want to split the side just a little bit open, not the whole way. And take your mixture and just pour it in. Now always remember, pack out your rubbish, take it with you. Take a little rubbish bag, dog poo bag, anything, just tie it up in that so it doesn't go all over the inside of your bag. But pack it out, take it home, leave no trace. So one thing about this fry bread is it's going to take quite a while for the heat to get through the mixture. So you're going to have to cook one side off a lot more than the other. It's fantastic on a cold winter's morning. Now this is the point where it may be worth just putting the simmer ring on. Easy as just opening the little hatch and placing it down. So just use our pots there as a little stand. Get both sides up. And cook off the other side. That smells like it's cooked through. So we'll stick that in the pot stand. We'll knock our little legs in. And put the kettle on. Nothing nicer on a cold morning. Maybe a touch more pepper. If you're going to get a Trangia, the one thing that I would recommend is you get the non-stick set. This pan, once I'm done eating the lovely bread, can be washed out in a stream. Doesn't need any detergents, and probably better that it doesn't, and it keeps it non-stick. You want to cook bannock bread for about 15 minutes or thereabouts. Well, that's a kettle nearly boiled, so we'll prepare the simmer ring by making it the turn off the gas ring. And then all we do is just drop this over the top, and that's the flame extinguished. You do have to wait for that to cool down. If you try and put this ring on when it's hot, as it cools down, it shrinks down in size and it grabs all of this, and it's just about impossible to get off. So really got to wait for that to cool. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe or something. You've got to like it. That way, you've got to like it and subscribe to it. Like and subscribe. You've got to like and subscribe. Click the like button there, and the subscribe button, the bell for notifications as well. Yeah, that's okay.